how to withdraw crypto from Kraken to another wallet or exchange. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to another wallet or exchange. For example, this is how to transfer Bitcoin from Kraken to another wallet. So I'm doing this demo on the non-pro version of Kraken. So if you're on Kraken Pro and want to flip to the non-pro, you can do this by clicking on the 9 dots in the top right and press on Kraken. If your screen already looks like mine, then you are already on the non-pro version of Kraken. So on the home page, you want to click withdraw in the middle. On the next screen, in the top drop down, you want to pick the crypto you hold and want to withdraw. This can be done by searching or scrolling. All the ones you hold should be at the top. In this example, I'm going to withdraw USDT. You will then need to pick the network you want to send your crypto over, and this needs to correspond to a network that the other exchange can receive this specific crypto on. So in this example, I'm going to transfer my crypto to Bybit, but generally speaking, you can find your wallet address and available networks you can transfer over by going to the other exchange and looking for something along the lines of deposit or deposit crypto. If you want a tutorial for a specific exchange you may be using, then I recommend checking out my channel, as I have videos explaining how to find wallet addresses on lots of different exchanges. So once you are in the deposit crypto section of the exchange you are transferring to, you would pick the crypto you want to deposit, so in my case USDT. Next, you need to pick the network you plan to send your crypto on. If we flip back to Kraken for a second, you can see all the networks that Kraken can send USDT on. Different networks have different fees. For this example, I'm going to use the Arbitrum1 network. So now I need to go back to Bybit and check that Bybit can receive USDT on Arbitrum1, which it can. So now I've selected the network. Bybit has given me my wallet address for this specific crypto and network. Wallet addresses will vary if you change either your cryptocurrency or network, and it's critical to pick the correct corresponding wallet address and network when transferring crypto, otherwise you risk losing your funds. I'm going to copy my wallet address from Bybit, and it's always worth copying the address or scanning the QR code rather than typing it manually. So now I'm back on Kraken. I've chosen my network as Arbitrum1. As I've not sent to this address before, I will need to press the Add Arbitrum1 Network Address button, where I can now paste in the address that I copied from Bybit and give it a name. Depending on your security settings, you may need to approve this in your email. So I've just gone and approved this address. So now you want to key in the amount you want to send in either a sterling or crypto amount. You can flip between the two using the arrows on the right of the text box. As I'm from the UK, this says GBP, but this will vary depending on where you are in the world. Alternatively, you can click one of the percentage buttons below the amount box. I'm going to key in 10 USDT, and you can now see that there will be a withdrawal fee of 2 USDT. And if you press withdraw USDT, you get one last chance to review your withdrawal, where you can see any associated fees on this transaction. It's always worth reviewing the crypto network and other details before sending, and if it's your first time transferring to a wallet, then it's always worth sending a small test amount of crypto first, because if you key in the details wrong, then you will lose your funds. Once you're happy with this, you can press the withdraw button. And after a period of time, which varies due to factors such as network and congestion, this should turn up on your other wallet. For those of you looking for new exchanges, I have put links of the ones I use down in the description below, where some of them have deposit bonuses and I may get a kickback if you sign up using them, which massively helps support this channel, and I will be forever thankful. So anyway, that is how to transfer crypto from Kraken to another exchange or wallet. If you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, then you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.